Western European and Western Europe.
Everywhere around the world, women has shared common experiences about gender violence, gender-based violences on Twitter, on networks, and I think now we're the first CSW after the Me Too movement, and it's important because people are watching us, are looking for what we are doing, all the United Nations.
To try and get this message going throughout the world.
Yes, I think the minister Gérard Collomb said he is going to recruit 10,000 policemen and policewomen in some cities in order to put that fines to stop street harassment. So what is going to happen is that you're a woman, somebody is following you since many streets, you're afraid, you don't want it to happen, and then a police, when they're here, will put fines and will ask 200 euros to that person, and if he can't pay by now, he will have to pay 750 euros after, and he had to go to a training, un stage, when he will learn many things about street harassment and just why you don't have the right to do that to women.
Criticism.
I disagree, of course, because I think it has nothing. So I think it's not about moral or puritanism at all. It is about freedom. It is about how women can achieve to live peacefully in freedom, to walk on the street, to go to work, to share spaces with men in freedom and with a sexual life if they want to, but if they want to only. And it is about how women cannot be just the point of men's desire, but the subject who can desire too.
Shame companies not respecting the law on gender equality.
Donc il n'est pas question de morale, il n'est pas question de puritanisme, il est question de liberté et de comment on fait pour faire en sorte que les femmes puissent vivre en toute liberté, marcher dans la rue, aller travailler, se promener, passer d'un point à un autre sans être agressées, en étant tout à fait libres, et que les femmes puissent avoir la vie sexuelle qui leur convient, mais basée sur leur consentement. En clair, que les femmes soient plus uniquement des objets de désir des hommes, mais qu'elles puissent devenir aussi des sujets qui désirent.
Do you think this means that there's still work to be done at that level for more equality in the government?
D'abord, ce qu'il faut avoir à l'esprit, c'est que la première loi sur l'égalité salariale, elle a été votée en France quand moi j'avais 6 mois. Et maintenant j'ai 35 ans et la loi n'est toujours pas appliquée. Donc ça veut dire qu'à l'échelle d'une génération entière, eh bien, on n'a pas réussi à faire appliquer cette loi. Donc c'est important d'abord de faire appliquer cette loi.
United States and the Western countries. How do you get this